Ever wondered how to live a luxury lifestyle? Life brims with opulence and grandeur, yet only a few manage to dip into this luxurious well. Today, let's unravel the secrets of leading a lavish lifestyle, not by spending exorbitantly, but by making smart choices. Firstly, understand that luxury doesn't always mean extravagant. It lies in the quality of life that you lead. Start by investing in quality over quantity. A handcrafted leather bag, a well-tailored suit, or an exquisite piece of jewelry outshines a wardrobe full of fast fashion. It's the art of selecting timeless pieces that elevates your lifestyle. Next, think about luxury experiences. A serene walk in a lush park or a tranquil meditation session sometimes offers more luxury than a high-end spa. Seek experiences that enrich the soul and make you feel like royalty. Remember, luxury is a state of mind. Now let's talk about the home. A well-organized, clean, and peaceful abode mirrors luxury. Add elements that reflect your personality and create a calming ambience. Scented candles, soft lighting, and plush fabrics can transform any space into a luxurious haven. Food is another aspect where you can introduce luxury. It doesn't require dining at fancy restaurants every day. Instead, learn to appreciate the finer aspects of culinary arts. Sourcing fresh ingredients, mastering a gourmet recipe, or even setting a beautiful table can make everyday meals feel luxurious. Luxury also extends to the way you treat yourself and others. Practice self-care, value relationships, and show kindness. These are the true luxuries of life that money can't buy. Finally, financial freedom is the bedrock of a luxury lifestyle. Make smart financial decisions, invest wisely, and build a robust savings plan. A secure financial future allows you to enjoy the luxuries of life without stress. In conclusion, living a luxury lifestyle isn't about extravagant spending. It's about making mindful decisions, appreciating quality, seeking enriching experiences, maintaining a serene home, savoring food, practicing kindness, and achieving financial freedom. So, next time when you think about luxury, remember it's not just about the price tag, it's about the value it adds to your life. It's about the richness of experiences, the warmth of relationships, and the peace of mind. That's the true essence of a luxury lifestyle. So go on, embrace the luxury that life has to offer.